Butitereventwil.info is a shady website that tries to trick users into allowing it to send them push notifications. Butitereventwil.info notifications promote untrustworthy sites or prompt users to download various software. If Butitereventwil.info site keeps opening on your browser, most likely some adware is at fault. You can remove Butitereventwil.info adware with the help of an antivirus, or use a manual method. Wipersoft is a good anti-malware program that will find and delete adware for you. Download and install Wipersoft from the link below this video. Open Wipersoft and click Scan Now. Now to the manual method. Disclaimer: this guide is aimed at experienced computer users. Any actions you take when following these instructions are at your own risk, and we won't be liable for possible losses or damages should they occur. Open Programs and Features on your computer via Start menu or Control panel. Sort the list of installed programs by date. Find recently installed programs you don't recognize and delete them. On Google Chrome Open menu, select More Tools, then Extensions. Find and remove unfamiliar extensions. Click on Menu button and select Settings from the list. Type Notifications into the search bar and follow the yellow tips, select Content Settings, then Notifications. Find Butitereventwil.info site in the Allow list, click on three dots next to it and remove the site. Restart the browser. Your Google Chrome should be free from Butitereventwil.info now. On Mozilla Firefox Open menu, then select Add-ons. Find and delete add-ons you don't recognize. Open menu and select Options from the list. Type Notifications into the search bar. Under Permissions, find Notifications and click Settings button next to it. Find Butitereventwil.info in the list, click on it and then click Remove Website. Click Save Changes. Close and reopen the browser. Your Mozilla Firefox should be back to normal now. If you have any trouble following the manual instructions, consider using an automatic tool like Wipersoft instead. The download link is in the description below.